Okay, well hey guys, welcome to Bonding Soul again. So this is my daughter Audrey and we are continuing part 2 of our series on how to spruce up this Jeep. We're going to put in a couple modifications to make it look a little bit nicer, right?
Yep.
Right. So we're going to do, if you look at this grill over here, it's kind of just open and plain, right? Nothing really special about it. Do you agree? We need to spruce it up a little bit. So we've got these grill covers. You want to show them the grill cover right here? There we go. Oops, sorry. From Hook Road. I'm going to leave a link below to this thing, and goes right to your door. Really easy. What these things do is, can I borrow this for a sec?
Yes.
Okay, so they just snap in basically. See these little clips right here? Not even clips, kind of hooked, you know, plastic clips right there. So they're just going to clip in. It's super easy, and if you look at it, there's actually kind of a more sloped longer side and a shorter side. Well, the slope longer side is going to go on the bottom to match this slope. So you want to show them how easy this is to do?
Yeah.
Okay, hop off to your hands, show. Let's see.
This is how put it in.
All right, we line it up.
Yep. And you just snap.
And then you just snap it and you push it. Ready?
Yeah.
Push, 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 push. And then what? Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Right? We're gonna do one, and we'll do after. We'll show them what it looks like after they're all done. Okay? All right. So, by the way, another quick thing with this one is these clips. You know, depending on how your grill is cut, you're gonna have to make sure this goes and snaps behind here. So you got to make sure when you do it, and Daddy will do this. You just push and feel. Make sure that that clip is engaged behind the plastic of the existing grill. So should we do the rest? Oh, that's upside down, sweet. See the longer side? All right, we're gonna put the rest of these in and we'll show you the finished product in a second. Okay, so we've got them all in except for, hold on one sec, sweets. If you want to stay back, look at that. Doesn't that look nicer? It definitely offsets it a little bit. One little bit of advice. The ones on the corners over here, okay, the bottoms, okay, you really need to make sure you push them in tight. And I found that on this first one over here that I had to go in and I had to kind of shave away a little bit over here just so this thing would actually snap in there, okay? That little piece. It's not very thick, so a lot of times you need to go in and actually click in with your hand and make sure you kind of squeeze the two together so that the grill part on the car actually clips into this piece. So, Aj, should we do the last one?
Yes.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, ready, snap. Snap that together. Make sure it goes in. Sorry, did I push your fingers?
Yep.
There.
Just
There. All right. So, these are all clicked in. This definitely, I'll take you off the stand over here. This definitely offsets the grill a whole lot nicer. So there you have it. I'm gonna leave a note or a link to all the stuff. Do you want to say this is easy to do with everybody?
This is easy to do, everybody.
This is probably one of the easier ones we did, right? We just take it out of the box and clip it in.
Yep.
Right? All right. So remember, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.
Yep.
Say it.
Like, share, and subscribe.
There you go. And I'll leave a link to these products over here. So if you feel like sprucing up your Jeep with your little kiddo here, you're just click on those links and they'll come to your door, and it's easy to do. All right. So thanks for watching.
Click on the links below.
Thank you. All right. So you want to say bye?
Bye.